Yo, what's daily D-Gents? It's your boy DeckCS back on a new video on rain.gg. We have 750 coins in the balance. We're gonna try to round up. And yeah, we're gonna fucking make some millions. Hope you guys enjoy the video. When you become the site, go to top, go to deposit, type in code DeckCS, get a 5% bonus to the site. You get promo codes and free bottles in my Discord, and you enter have 500 coin weekly leaderboard. And you'll be entered in my weekly leaderboard. It's live right now on Rain. We have some cool videos coming up, and make sure to join Discord and watch the kick. It's kick.com/DeckCS. And yeah, we have some cool prizes and promo codes you can be able to join in my Discord down below. So yeah, boys, let's get into the video. I'll start off with some jackpot battles because I love jackpot mode. It's my favorite on the site. Okay, we're finally in. And of course I had a fucking rain spin, bro. I tilted, of course. Of course, boys. We guys will have a nice day. It's nighttime for me, it's like 2 AM for me. But we're gonna make a video anyways. So yeah. Okay, dog start. We're tying, I believe, or losing. I may lose. Do they pull? Probably a fucking knife or some shit. They pull gloves. Okay, we're losing again. Come on, Junkin. Left, right side hit. Rain spin. And just be crazy. Come on. No hits, man. Come on. Please, right side. Man, they hit and it's just not good enough, bro. It's just not good enough. We can run it back again. Come on, Junkin, right side. Just hit for once, please. Hit for once. Bro, we've run this case so many times. Just even hit, man. And I hit, of course. Like, fuck my life, bro. 3D pool of 500. Should make something out of this. We'll join this guy. Okay. Alrighty, boys. Started the bottle, so we're gonna start fucking grinding. I'm not answering. I'm very tired, so this is why I'm trying to record. My bad. Okay. It was the worst bottle ever. Okay, so they literally have no way of winning. How much? How much? How much? How much? How much? Bang! That's nice. Basically, they have no chance of. Okay, thank God. Thanks to fuck. Okay, we're kind of back now. Back to 300. We've won. That was a pretty good battle. Okay. Okay. I mean, we've a chance. I mean, it's not insane. We lost. It's okay. Our last part of the video, just pay. Come on, pay. Come on, don't be dead. Nice. Okay, just be the Poseidon. Okay, it's a 1k. We take it. It's like 300 each. 400, 350 each. Yeah, we won. Alright. 396. Pretty good. Alright, boys. We're all in with 400. We got someone else joining. Okay, he pulls the rain spin on us. Oh my god. Fuck. Still a lot of cases here. Okay. Okay, he pulls again. Okay, that's a lot. 700. Please be topside. Double? Nice. Okay, show us a fucking bayonet. Come on, please. Okay, one. Take that. It's 900. Jules, topside, Jules, topside. Okay, come on, please win this. Yellow, red. Nice. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, boys. That's a fucking nice win. That's a nice win, boys. That's a nice win right there. Let's fucking go. Alright. That's where we're gonna end the video, boys. We're gonna end the video there. Hope you guys all enjoyed. We have 958. Amazing. I'm gonna call it there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys want to support me on Rain, go to the top, go to deposit, type my code in here, decades yes, apply for 7 days. Leaderboards live, promo codes are in Discord, and free bottles on my kick every single day. Alright, boys, I'll see you guys next video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out, boys.